for Asia Jimmy. Asia Unufu Kakagaza find X. Where is S? Abua Jimmy for woman. I'm waiting for a reply. We go do it like Chinese film. Jimmy for like you. Mommy Abu said, woman me Abua. Yes, come again. I don't play. I don't joke. With the voice notes and videos I have of you, Mommy Abu said, I better say what film. Unufu Asia what life took from me? What telenovela how they advising go for Wasia make believe telenovela Apua Wunya Sabana wa also your marriage counselor. Mami Abu said when you onya gbemi Apua Mami to one me bo asuma na fiti. Nya membe Obaki bibi Wasia you want to destroy Mami Abu said Wasia you sit on radio and insult me. Apua Uguna wa yellow Uguna de ayano we Jimmy Ukru top Ugunu ataba Wasia Mami Abu said say Fred I don't know the agano I got a Mami Abu said they shot and I say man yes Apua me donya me hey if God don't stop me or take say hey videos I made dropping them and I said Ghanaians will ask wow this guy was going through this and still entertaining people but when I'm here all I did is to take off my daughters and make the world know I love them too much. So because of that, you will use it against me. You are using my own channel against me, sabotaging me here and there. Guess what, girl? Did you forget there are videos, audios, voice notes, thing? After all this, you took the girls away. I'm still taking care of you. I'm still the one sending you money. Yet you still disgrace me and continue telling. Say, "Ugu many masisa Aden, Vanessa Aden." And now, Mami Abu said, "Whoa." Madigo Bruta, you're ready. Munya ready. Ellen Bella, you grow up and see this video. I don't know what tomorrow brings, but I go up and see this video and know me, your father never. Things I am in Shada. And so yes, say, Ebiaye, Nanaya, or Yeminia Ketwa. He's been like a brother to me over the years. And Yafe and Messian. He's been like a brother to me over the years. A weekend problem, maybe a winner. And be or cancer or cancer and same. But the truth is, no one can say problem be a mammy in problem be a medio problem be a ma meaning. I have been a good person, no one who beside Don Little or need Don Little issue near there. It was I, men, I'm a friend. Don Little the too many, we Janet Wame, and I'm a friend and I am born a money. And a mom will make it up and as one patch up. So it's not as if say I am no, I'm a counselor by birth. I'm like a big sister to him. And see, I am quite surprised at what is happening. But then I'm not here to apportion blame or anything like that. But the truth is, or no, he knows the truth. Or no, him no creno. In him send me energy. When him send me energy. And I'm a year so she's not a baby. Thanks be to God. She can also speak for herself. It is not as if say, maybe I did something and I'm a baby. No, I didn't do. I know say from obi any penny and a bed on myself. I know say mumu baby on my own name me could about me where was she. That's fair enough. We are very you opinions are like noses, they say. And so I don't expect everybody to like me. But the truth in the say me. Wa won pema sem kura unim say yakase obi eni papone na yakase obi say relationships I'm sure say may people rather even chastise me for making them overstay in their marriages. I mean that is when go for a trauma that I married through I did matem they insult me based on the fact say and they binum kura feel listen mami ye pesi eja ware ya na otete na wo dey why you want to say there I say unko na ware ye that is what I get chastised for. If I'm going to be chastised for anything, it definitely won't be say, may catch you be so being a boyfriend. No. And he knows I didn't do anything like that. But of course, he feels say perhaps Ebiana influential. T Ebiana yen say Ebia lady Nijano. But Mbachasem we see yen ache 2019, I think August also. It's yen there say. But of course, you be an innocent, will be any problem. Okay, all right. enye enti the truth no and the woman say I have not na me kura me nye bida obi oni mi bi anim say obi for say ma kura momotena ware mu ni ade ayeme and of course me I am quite glad say lady no ho nyame adom nwuye nti I believe say ono akasa can speak for herself. It's Mr. It's not as if say we see and obi oni mi bi anim say rather nkofo dwen say jama me kura me kire me ho ana say jama me hye da nye friendly nti me kura me adafo mi ni bi na kan to makoye pempe no kura me hye da enye nti eja me lose our level why to Miss Femo whatever what biya no there's nothing like that and I want you to know say I am here to stay me na meja nyame adum meja mejuma me yese person ye nyame ejuma full time and that is the more reason why I've gotten time to sit here with you na ya kasa I've not forced anybody to be on this platform. Ye teachings or hanum between 1 and 2:30. And young we and then better to any Christo demo or Amaniana or Tayana and Inguaziana Arapejana oh baby and ye Yami Shamon oh Yami ye ampara oh Nyami we Benyame Sumpa. And it's only be one children now, Buano. I'm a sumpa. And it's only be and then they be no say, you'll be said, and then again, it can as again, say, no, him one of in China, me buano, and your main woman, my buano, and nephew, you'll be said, I didn't share me, Hano, we be so. When we are bad, Ben, when we are bear my bay, and no being a problem. I be on any coon on in a year, and saying, won't take cry, won't take America. What is a gun and me suffer on your ordinary person? Gun and me suffer. What's your brutally? On any irinya issue, Kakra, and to conquer for fun is a be, we couldn't cry my ye. It is obedient in going yourself. Let's say, Oba, I mean, chance, oh, ma, say this in her to me. May be an in me, and none of permanent quality I need. So Rabana boy, she's talking with me, Busan. Me nye duane ni ma boa me. Abo me. Nti kamen pamu ni nsi abonten. Kamen pamu ni nsi abonten. Anas oba me nchen na. No, o si ofiri Kumasi. No free Kumasi. And listen, mama kan kura nchele mu Ghana fo nyina. I took the girl in because I knew funny face. Me fa girl no because me knew funny face. And listen, I didn't just take her in. My friend, that one Ajuna na my friend funny face. The woman so on him no kura ni nyina. So me person make us. That one Ajuna, my friend our family sending a voice message. So funny. Why do you be di me hanti bomo de anebra? Because ono kura de my friend na ya. Ono friend na sew. Because na one me baako. Na one no date one of them young women na omo family to say emma omo family to say maame no. It ono friend myself. So funny face knows me very well. Enye nche. It your friend myself. So I even took the girl in because I knew funny face. Na my friend no. That no na my friend. That one Ajuna na my friend. I called him several times. One fact, it made me send in a voice message. And he told me, say, Mommy, me was said to me, try also try, say, baby, short also. And see, onya pra o beba. And I'm see. On what it was, so I children on one side from say, my mamma, money, or one or more. And I'm saying, half in a way, but you may have no more to bra. And son, over, Sabre not take 3 days. It's impartial. Don't say what you don't know. I am not stupid. I will never. And a girl in the first place, no worry anymore. But I never me busa girl. Me na me cry na me pa girl na Chelsea. On Sunday chinko ware bema. Said the munya na munim ya de bia me ka say me nya huku. Aye wo on ware no, but why about bema on now. To on now, let's ask maba. Let's wa baby. Nya me na me ba be say ya ware ente. Me na me catch the girl no so. Me na me catch the girl no so. Ma me sa anko. ɔsɛ ɔmsin panicho Mr. Fowadieko. Na sabre na enye no. Na feni ya babies no they were like I think say be 1.5 months or so. Tine kwara na eteke. Ti girl no kwara no insist say e bo like adiasa because the guy got here around 12 midnight. Ti o see e bo nti wontimi mfa kwala no. Mpese wode nkwala na be fa bo no so nti man ba cho ma me na na de echi na mako na msi you. Nti woda ho. Woda ha biem. Ade chia no pa me ko madwuma no enna funny face friend say mami masoma se yen ko fan me yire na msi you na girl no say mamba jo nana ya asoma se yen me family na msi you eti me boni am ye na no dey and that was the last I heard of it. The next time we meet you say girl no kra wo girl no the groom na and no friend me no say mami ba cho me ko and I'm say aden. And all kind of story, baby. But of course, I'm not here to narrate the story on the kind. It's the only thing I did answer my friend. Nana Asana. I didn't see. And I started so casa baby. I'm saying no shit. Yeah, girl, no dear. Why, baby mama. And of course, wherever you grant interviews, be okay. Go for say she's your baby mama. She's not your wife. Why na okay? It says me power child. Say the baby will be auntie won't come me me I'm not anyame na me ko be cotton this story. I am not interested. Because first say mama wo baby me dey then. I'm a counselor and I'm not interested in destroying somebody's home. It's you ebi no aye omo ni masem obi ho a na waba be mama nka bibi nkire wo. Mama papa uko ko gina obi page na ko kiro nsem a dwen asem o ka nsem kra obetimi aka broso. Yes, you will be pardoned for it. Because everybody knows say yes kasa tenten boni mpem but say wa sheda akotro atem didie obra dia asem no ni no kwase me homu say the truth na ba chomo bi am frame mesra mo bi am frame oh if you don't know anything don't even say it because no kwase me homu I have never done anything that me boni am ye ya na say girl no frame me say ni kwa bono or how girl no me di nkomo bebre wo phone so na me hu no da ba no me di nkomo wo phone so ba na me hu no da so the very first day now oba me nchen because of friend oba me nchen na ni da oba me fi ha da no obedru na da no na so na me friend na ya it I'm wondering say ni me dey abesi because last year August girl no kra so oja na hokra ko e sa che it me hu dey aba and recently ya kakra bia afi dey me na afi dey ye twa me adaba te say dey yeah the woman say kame nipa bibiri aka jem say me kasa nya no me kra me nyama dwe say me kasa ba ne woman say asem bi ho ba wan kire mu ana because nipa bibiri bi hu say ne nipa mu ade me ko obi a page nko didi na tem da ho it me nye bi so da me ko obi page nko didi na tem da crofo ba me page da bia e be didi matem but say wonni ma asem ni mu a me didi matem and na don't feel say e bia meje adwuma na me ana meje adwuma o UTV ya mpamo me Father Dixon wo ho Father Dixon oni girl ni di nkomo sesi a musa no ayo me nko to Father Dixon oni girl no e di nkomo ne busan onu kra na aka kire girl no say ma girl no e me cash because me kra na me ka kire girl no say o meka asem esi no bi ehun say me nya hwe e ye Father Dixon and I stop a girl no from coming to even say the truth busan no say me boa I have an audio ewa a girl no so no ko nya nko beka and so father say man nkasa and so she doesn't also want to go contrary to their father come it's ma girl no me vindicate me because me na me ko ye opatafo e ko boa girl no na me girl no say on kokra me man ne call ya na ya ona de ne yire call ya months back oh ene esa se me free multimedia nti a me ye me adwuma nyame adwuma no so de e de bi pause de na betete ni Kristo do mu ohia na amane ana otaya na bibie ni ho betete ni Kristo do mu menye hwe ini obi atem everybody who knows me encrofo didi matem mo say I keep women in their marriages even when they are dying me mo me pese o mo beja that is what people assault me for and I'm sure say oh baby or why be on permasem bia can attest to that. Nkrofo didi matem mo say me mo kora me man nkrofo enya aware adentina obi bra de bia me say don't leave your marriage. So I don't see the reason why I make to be so binyana. But the truth is say ebia no na ya no he was misinformed. But in same bebre woman no me nim me bi mankom but ebia na ye ne say because perhaps the girl listens to me ebia na make me na make I didn't even know how the girl went back to ni mama. Eti patro edru baby na mu didi nkrofo atemu a monto mo boase. Edru baby na asem bi so nti ase a. Busa nye de ye mu bebri wo no be because of baby nyame de ya hye ni nti no. It is difficult for us to say some things. But baby ameka ho. Entesufufu ni tesukoko wo bi anu. But your choice. De obi decide say obey. What choice na be? Me may decide say I will never stoop so low to come to anybody's level to insult me. No. But the truth must be told. Say me encourage. And ne Vanessa, I'm quoting here on record. Mo penny nyina mo hwehwe. I'm quoting Vanessa on record. Mo hwehwe na mo musa. Ono ankasa say Father Dixon say man ma out. Na wo me claim me din. Enuntina why din. Into onokora wunya anko bekasa. I have her voice near the but me I am not that type now. Me de tina ya na ono ana yi kra na me because I just wanted her to explain for you to said they are me nko kanhwe. But ubi she chiri say the girl shouldn't talk. Said they are minimum I will look like a bad person. The bonny am ye nyina say I went in to help somebody out. Me de nyame pa mo chew. Me de nyame pa mo chew. Me ti afun tantan. Metima ya onia. Metia fun tantan. Metima ya sister. Metia fun tantan. Metima ya osofo. Metia fun tantan. Metima ya odifo. Nya obone. Again me ni na tam. Ana ya busa sa me ne nya confrontation da na. Me ne nya confrontation da. Onu mum na last again da no again ba me fia. Onu mum odidi matem sa den na again na ba na maje no. Na me se nana. E dey na we to oyami ama me mum kra me bufu yi. And I catch as an idea. Get a big giant one. That's also o me funny be more, Mate. And on one side, video. Busa, me go to be out. On one casamusa on one. O ye video, oh soon. A day pamich. Ma, me pacho. Minim the intia manutia. Mumusa no sabiboa. On one casasa ye video. A pamichel is soon ye. Sell pamichel. Send a nutia me. Infanchem na ya na enioma ha no okawie me say ana me yenipa I am a nobody me yenipa te say wa I know say asem bi hawa you have the right to go about it by ya brafom and am ono akasa buy obedru ha na jo close to 12 midnight minimi kun ne Vanessa nyina netenas ye kan asem no and na kwala nge ne kwala say onko na me pa girl ne che some sere no etina na yakwasa na jo no ko ne ni girl ne ko na girl no say man ba jo me mani susa e boni be gu on so iti ba jo ma o de ma na wo chena na wako da girl ni be dru ha no me danu na me friend na ya me friend ti wanfa me send a voice message mu busa na so se me boa nyame a wo so court won tena me ne ntem se mu busa no because girl no di onim no kore no but girl no say Father Dixon se man nkasa inti on person be kasa inti mena ni kunu edidi matem because ni kunu fele say bia na me na man ne ko asem we ko acha me go enu akwa me I was very much surprised say me na me de na mayo asem we say wo buy boy me mum kra na me frɛ wo na wo buy na ja me no kan na de echi wo be fa wo yere na de ne ko boni be na me ge no kra ka say ya me mesa ni fi okra me si order videos I na ya funny face. Posty what? Let me tell you something on record. Videos and na funny face. Posty what ne page. Sa videos no girl ne ba ha no. Na ya descend me say and tokwa esi won ntamuntia. Ama ebufuo ni ba ne. Eno no. Videos ne wo de ba no tag me din say me na me call say ye. Videos na ya funny face de ba. Na wa tag me ma me ye boa. Say eye me na me cause ye sa video me na ya on record on fie me nko order sa videos da girl no dwan beto am wo me fie ha ya nwumre na me ne nana ya we kasa no nana ya send me sa videos ni nyina mumusa no so meboa o send me sa videos ye ne wa send ni nyina time again no ye we no sa time na wa ye dreadlocks girl no ba me ha no we twa ne dreadlocks e no ka chem se man na ma ye dreadlocks na se won pe nti wo twa sa bre se mo hwe videos ni nyina mo ko check videos ni bi videos on Saturday na girl na ye dreadlocks girl ne ba na girl ne twa dreadlocks no girl na ka kire me say no aye dreadlocks na na ma ni twa ne dreadlocks no na kasa na di videos no e dey send because no so person kire me say girl no tokwa ne kuntia or justify the reason why the girl came to me in me and on the videos no or di nyina hwe the woman say enye nneoma nyina na ya the first say ye mu bi yen kasa no nkire say ye jimi David and some be high but I am because of Nyaminti in Pessia Bechere in some near any penny. I said the answer open so wrong. But when I just want to tell you to see, say, Mwankasamu, we are meaning Passamu, you are very good judges. We are one judge, baby. I may call me yeah wrong. Girl no buy no videos na what you go social media trending now say it was me or say me na me motivate so me na me influence yen sa videos no time a girl ne ba me ha no na ya wona kasa eye funny face he sent me all those videos iti busa ne say e ba ne saying no de send me wo bra na girl ne wa na afi na girl ne call ye wie na me hu time me call mastermind dey na afi de me ma girl the woman say girl no fi ha no mo call me ne kura ni ngomo bi mu me nti sa o enkrofon sam egu bitim e tonso wo betimi aka wasama kire me nwumre woni meka no wanka me kura na me refi asama na meka I didn't have any hand and I mean said hey again ko di kuma se ya na so ja be ma ne ho me boni am ye ya ne se jama me friend ka tell say na girl of friends Vanessa Soko nana Vanessa Soko eja mo nkasa mo budi ntokwa se mo hwe na sisi asamo mo ari ankwala ne de wa wo ma bajo ko hwe mo eti ma mi mesre mo ka me nkire mo but mpese minnim se mo bebiri wo no ma you are out here Bible says any penny now the word we no me am fa me ho wo mpema se mo a ha me and listen that wouldn't change my stance with God that wouldn't change the fact say me nya djuma wo TV so bi and I want to put it here categorically on record say everybody knows including Father Dixon himself say I was not sacked and again me say yes me a pimp everybody knows me obi wo ma kana asem wo kire na eya na me adu obi be eyi ono awura ne kasa no say people are willing to talk e ma jama me apempe omode o mama nkokora me sre no on de o mpeni pa mi nu pe no for momra no me show sankrofo wi na ma mi pempe o me pempe ah me na me kope me ma ko mankrofo afi de ma me David o me ansa na me ko TV so no na ma ware dada o nimna yen for some of us we kept our life they are cool so you didn't know so much about it. But ansa na me ko TV so no na ma ware dada enye ho na me ko yansa na me ko ware o na ma wo me mba me yansa ni nyina ewi dada o enti me pa mo chawo na enye se ho na me ko yansa na me ko ye yeah I didn't I miss me who super but me still on me nyina me se krofo o messages am bi no pese ase mu di matamu ni ade te se de na ya obenya me na ya o me nya ne hwe no kwase mu ni wonu mumu kwa no problem na ya onimba se me nya ne hwe so obi beda na se a enka ya mia girl no ba me akasa na me friend da no na girl no be dru na me friend but just say it took him 3 days and son no akasa dey ba it the third day na ju no be dru ha no e on ni girl no me ni omo nyina akasa wie ye na girl no say wonko any ade and am simple cho onko and son na girl no ka say ma wo de obekokra ade asa nti ade achi obeko and na girl no die na say 4th day it me boni na me ye na ne say obi now who there be more say why should I have I shouldn't have kept the girl and I said the lady in my house for we mami musa wo unuaba Wani ni kunkura nya asɛm na nsɛm monte hwe kora monte Ghana ni sɔfo yi ɔte America ya wani na yenya wabɔ ne tio pe yakunu 7 shots it is obi ni obi enya asɛm no sema se ni minim bɛma no mo kora na minim no ɔno na mehu no sɛ menua it is na yire na frɛ me a minim ho kwan but me a counselor me a sɔfo nso enti de omu say we ain't say in fact sa papa yen me ya enkume sa papa yen sa se me hu obi a ohia mmoa na me gem girl no hwe na ne ma me ona ne ma me wo ekuma se e ho na still ne ma me da so na ma me nka sam nkire one boy ni wuwie na ya so ma boy ne girl ne ma me ma emesa girl audio ne girl no send ye da me page ewo na ya so o ma girl no po abusuafo e mesra no eti e me ni kasa wie wa na msampa ne so na hey obi ba e na wa fa no se be ye wo ba nka wo ba no wo a wo be pese wo be kwa akose se ne ma me pese wo be sa ma ne kwan me na me pa na ya o che me pese de we mu fa nko kire no na wo de o medidi matam mo me nim se we enye me pese me explain me ho na se wo ye me a obi bia wo ye me bia so hu se de obeye me afa mumusa na ya se sanse me nyi obi adansefo wono ankasa ne yire na ye me dansefo so se me boa enye hwe nya me wo soro na obejaje me ni mienu asem bia so me fa hwinsie me nya obi abone multimedia me na me jai se be nya me adwuma UTV me na me resign me the resignation letter come out for Dixon obi ampa mo me nya pempo da me suro se me ka kire me nya pempo da ene biem na ya onye menini ntim woni kwa timi kwa me de oye na espoke me na ya ofre me asew obi a owo UTV ni OKF obi enim se de not ofre me asew because na ayi me ba akosia dankwa oni odeti ne kakra se na akosia de oye me ba enti da bi ofre ma se ti sesi akos na akosia na de na no na me no ka kire me akos nso na ye na de me no ka kire mumusa no se me boa mumusa no se me boa na fe baby a ye bone no enu nti wakogina ho no mo no wo twa madapa no but the woman say mama nka baby jino ni patimi yare at any point in time ni patimi yare at it me hunu say na ya yare no yare me kan correct me hunu say yare no yare because me na ya na me nimu no nyu oni because me hu de esi all of a sudden ena me hu asem we nya asem wa obeka say nempo na esi anase bia this year asem last year August ebesi this year ena all of a sudden Sunday madani before ye mimi ni pedua me kra me bibia ye de ye miku me ma me obi enya bi just because day nana no kwase me say sa papa yes me yes sa me nya me hu bia enya wo yire pe o enya wo nko awoni pape na how many times na oni me ni nkomo wankasa how many times na oni me ni nkomo especially time oni akoso dan kwa how many times na oni me ni nkomo aya nima bibiri ho am pese me kasa but me shedan ko jame enko didi matem ti se de asa jama me boni bi amaye de esumiti so anase ma be breaki oyi ni me boni am kan ya ne se ge ne ko ya ofre me ge ne frɛ me na me se onana ge ne so ko adan ba ne se na wo si wo ne kasa no ye rough of ne de be ne bensan bibiri wo so ko da obi nchen na me se ba cho efesia na emum ja wo de me nua ne se de be ya asem bi anka no ba cho aya musika no adansi nti fama ne kura ne fakosi ni maame so na ne maame fama no bia me kan ya ni o me boni nyina nie because me can say aja wa kura grant interview o si girl no your baby mama e bia na obi na onye monye madwen se bewa mu be ware a no problem e moment mu de mu ye two adults but nkwala no de o mu ye nkwala nana me serew mo de asa ya na de musika eno ani asema honom udi matam anu kura bo me fa ne say one of those things na jambashi was so ehede na asi after we ya December twam ya ba bedru ahin fa now all of a sudden I said asem fufuro bi asi anana ya wa ba be twam adaba se ma hede se ehede na maye Send me oba fun oba dien me and some girl can just say eso sondodo oh nana e ma me kan chiro nana aya wo ye me aya kaida no na wo ye video na wo sun e pa me chewo se we didi matem na ka chem se ma fa me bone cheme na me nye se bi me nim de to me nana aya kaisa da eni watem da usu nim se untimi nyina be bia nka se me di watem da ti no kwasem me nim se Ghana for bebre na you wanted me to explain and that's just about it nothing me nye bibia eti megia no enra ni nyina me friends am say mama come out me pa chawo said the ukun kasa obi adwin se my bibi ma ba mu fie ho ma be cause commotion bi ni ade you know I have done nothing please come out to say something asana again na kasa say opani bi abona no se mane kasa opani bi abona no say ya fa o ha no so ame na wono gen na onim no kura na wasemu no no onye di opani bi abona no say no kura na wasemu ni mu no the girl should keep it. Eso nka Father Dixon meni mu ye adwuma ma anya obone da Father meni mu ye adwuma ma anya obone da wodi nka onim no kura na ntia me je adwuma ma anya obone da eso enne wutimi efre akwala no knowing very well and run ma me say wo Father Dixon kura na o ka kire o mo say ye didi me atem ne ma me say wo Father Dixon wo na wo ka kire girl mo say ye didi matem nikun e de me akosi social media no wo twa madaba girl no be person ba out na obe sign it no wo si won kana no ntu it is well na mi shira mo tini no cha ma chere mi nsem e to asope mo pa mo chew me kasa mu se me kasa bi ene bi anya oda mpa cho fa che me na mi obi ahu we say me be di obi atem enye nti na me bai batama me kasa nyina no system nkofo e send nsem akakraka nti na me yes me explain because me explanation anya hwe na makasa me kipi na ko yete say jama BBC and I'm hiding it not I rather me mumuna me kwase am ye ne say obi epemwa okutantafo enkwala no na omo ye 1.5 months busa girl no be ka kire mo nim some mu bebre emunim na nkwala no mo 1.5 months old tin kwala teke sa no kaminya om ana mempam ga ni si abontin enya hwe e boni am ye no ba de empesa me chiro ma chire mu achire no ni obi atem no kore na nkasa de omo wo mu ni nyina anim no kore no including nana yaw nimpa se me ma me ye bo asi do fra me asew ma anya ne boni da asem na abenti no the minimum de ko esi all of a sudden ti minim say e bia na nsem kaka asem bia ba majama ya obi akobo me din ti na ogina ho no ye me I don't know but me let's put it on record this is what really happened and nana ya know say ba anya ne boni nana ya na me boni de ono ne fa ne face me friend nana ya he knows say enye ne boni dan kura ba oba be fa ne anya argument ene na nko na me kura me ne kokwan de obi na ne yire abedi mi che me kura me pese me set o mo ntem amicably no mo de ode ne yire ko eno no me ede na me koye wo ho a eno ti me warranty sa atobdidi but anya hwe na ye no ma sabe boni a say madam nana ya boni ya ne ye ho munye ye kakra monye yen kakra mu jaye yen abeye yen because the omu say Bible say biribi na Paul na wo ahomere bi Paul had an infirmity but the Bible didn't mention what it was. Now the Bible says that anytime be an baby ano na obre but the Bible and describe what it was actually. And he one time went to God and okache and say everybody nyi sa ahomere no na ho ma na ho de no ntimi nyina na de na everybody kache no was say, my grace is sufficient for you. My grace is sufficient for you. So in this case, God's grace is sufficient for us. And when we are better, ye be ya, ye better akoyenim, akokum say yes, obeba. It's a come to you. And you mean you Pajobi, Proverbs 31. Pamacho last week, Namu Wahana mo joining. And your ma oti in a business saying Proverbs 31. You started free the verse 10 honomo. Now you share a wife of a noble character. Or you're a pa. Tia bobo bosswa did you baby? At the end I would say, what did you hear? At the end I would say, what at the end I would pick you. Ah, usha, a bit me abwa pa. And your ma ben I'll pick you. Be so a bit stress. Ah, and at the end I'll pick you. I be my wako and I mean, kakra, say, who can find a virtuous and a capable wife? What's why you're a pahwani benya? The second one was say, she's more precious than rubies. What's an boy ye dincha when a pampo? Waba papa? Ne boy ye dincha when a pampo? Why you're a pa? Ne boy ye dincha when a pampo? Waba kama? Waba wenimunya? Was a man, ye. That's what ye. What dear we change a man ye and so dear we change no quite me. I was say also why another. I won't fail who dear. That's what bar should have radeno. Bible says how ban and ye be ye. Also, a nada. Now won't fail a who dear. Then more bow so radeno. Sour ban and ye be man a wife of a noble character. No, yes, but your boss, why you can't call. Who can find a virtuous wife and a virtuous and a capable wife? She's more precious than rubies. Ya can't hold. Her husband can trust her. Was any virginity abribia and also ya can't hold. And she will greatly enrich his life. She brings him good, not harm, all the days of her life. And also ya can't hold. And also ya found or say. She finds wool and flax and busily spins it. Eh, sao Obano and Isaiah Jumo, Obano Yakwadofo, Obano Yakwadofo, Obano Casaro Frof, Obano Yejano, Obano Niku Jinidi, Obano Jinidi, eh, Obano Niku Jinidi, Obano and Majinidi, Obano be Obi on any sign, Ejinidi, who said, there be, Mammy will bet my baby about where you went me. So I say, a dear, if so, Bunny home. Papa was your ban or was she finds wool and flax and busily spins it. This how ban on Jejan on to Tony Wansi or ye Juma or so Juma more or ye and negan over when ye Juma obey then what's me no quarter. And about ye Juma obey the Bema could have a pelcrana when ye Juma is a big deal because in the Bema be a pel bar with Jina Branning or calling him more ye baby. It is a 1 year Juma. I said, I won't worry you. It's your baby, say, Ope Bibi. Nah, oh, a year. And son was say, she's like the merchant ship. I want to hear bringing her food from afar. What's one know about? Hey, want to tap on ten, not to say merchant ship. Me who said the kind of tree. They just so or you didn't home or your dear 4 year and home on home day. It's your quick chili could didra. Saa no peso kire o kwa chire kodidwa o kwa bia nioma efo o kwa gbogboloshi no akoto nioma enti enam aba bayira ba enwo aba tomato saba no akoto ni enough no akoto ni bulk no dia be she fridge mu ontwen ma nioma ho akwa atwe a enioma bo aye din no afa ne chance no akofa dan na echi no akoto emore 2 cedi no ato agbelema 2 cedi no atowe 2 cedi esa de bia na wo ha but wo yire ho wo pe bibiye wo yire ho wo de nsan ye adwuma wo ye oba wo ye ba papa wo ye oba wo ye de yofo onye ne ho basabasa onye gya ne ho enti wo ye oba wo bone ho made e ma se be ma kura no ne wa be ma no ko ma to ne yim wo se me yire de me ma ne bibi kituwe bi kura eso me yire de me ma ne bibi kituwe bi kura eso me money bibi kitwe bi eson yes and it's what you say enkoyani I say she gets up before dawn to prepare breakfast for her household wo ba papa wona made a cheno na mami da ho na afekura na oyi mframa oh pe bibi ya waso wo sori anopa wo sori ahomache o sorry ahomache na emu yemienu o sorry tena se bompa yi o sorry kavani konzo because the Bible say na ho no any here obi a wo da bibiri biara aya na doctors be catch you say everybody needs about 8 hours sleep a day any pain na anybody who's been able to achieve something sani pan one call the normal way no me there be me when God called me I said to myself say I don't want to be an ordinary person. That word ordinary it infuriates me. It's because I want to be an ordinary there, and I'll add extra, and I'll put extra in front. So I want to become an extraordinary woman. And if you say around FM, that be ametio. Bompire mama bushia, bompire mama kumi, bompire mama juma, bompire. The woman ministry never did yamameno. And also to me, Juma Baba, you na cry if it's a day. No minimum, I would have a friend, a minimum, they work at them. It's yeah, maybe anyone may have married. It's in a question. I would have this kutami. The sign said, I'm sorry. Not a bompire. Of course, many manity, many quality. Ombedi. You be using Jin, you be using some, I be using your baby. One Tenasiana on Casse. Wo Tenasi na Adiachian, Panacola, or Batambia, or Sorianopa. Rafi Brown, or my commodity, or Muffin, or Mokotolocon, or Mokope Bengu, or Mokope. Now we are serious. It's your bata piano can. Or say she gets up before dawn to prepare breakfast for her household. Was Sorinten. Enti anadwo na abeto more de asi ho anadwo na obekwa akoya mwaburo de abesi ho wafete de asi ho dada enti wotsena sene se wo se wo ye aduane a eno ani se wo ye enti anopetututu nkola ne besori omo se akombede omo na aduane aye ready enya afa na ukun kodidi wabonten na aduane nti wakonante basa obeba na se ye obi akura abone dam na emum no wo no obeyire wo ho se obeye aduane wo fie ukwe didi wo fie o medidi wo fie obi didi wo fie a wonye fie nyansa obi didi wa ponte wonya because aduane na odi no ko onim de area ye nti odidi wo ba bia keke atoba wo pese ukun wo hwe ni yi pese wo ma wo hwe ni yi no mu gina brane na wo fie timi ye kama obi nte wonka wo sori anopa when everybody is sleeping wo sori no aye wo aduane obi edibi si oba time bia ni akwadwure aduane Unia kwa jure duane. Unia kwa jure duane. Udi aduane a beboa. Udi aduane a wakasa waye ene ofroye wa besi wa bomu bi ene obetimi kura de se ene apomu kwa na ye obetimi de dokon kura de aka anopa koko enye den bebi na yusu beboa amenje chawo nenye tse dia se de bia na jiso si abonten obi kota abonten obi ekota abonten we obi fi bi won be ko ni dura no pan kwala nkete obi ekuta chense ko padua na abonten na kwala mbe na nkura na o metimi esua de enne nyame anya wadom obi won ma de ode no aduane no enuma egum kura no enya sam ketwa wakota ma babo se na afa akwa ko pe bibi papa ko taduane e fa prefi anya koko anya porridge kakra odi hukuma atoyem onko eni pati ase enko as I was saying, and she plans the day's work for her servants. So of course, if you are a working class woman, when you saw ye juma o baby, when you grow for being a ye juma, and I say ubwa when you grow for being a say, and I say ebiana we are suffer we are suffer man ebia we juma oda juma biano we are madam krofo bibiri wo wase ana ebi kwa ye bedi Christmas ye bi ni omo pamade omo adwuma start omo dia start yes say omo ye den you don't wait to say sabri ya wadwuma ban ni ade afi na obekwa banza na wabenu aduane da bia omo bedi dia lajo maybe echi na okunko afuasha but omo bi am friend nobody should call me please. I have only one phone and that's the only phone I'm using for my project in Pacho. Mo bi am friend, nobody should call me, I beg you. This is the only phone I use, so please don't call me. Okay. God bless you for understanding. So you don't wait. I want to meet Nancy Anka said, "Oh, kwejuma ba. Asa no abe yeduane ma ogu." No. "Oh, kwejuma ba. Asa no abe yeduane ma oma." No. Obu okura na ne ma no, enkwala ne ko edwuma your friend is saying, if you're more call JSS and I say SS, be a lower primary or my pong. Na mammy with Jumem, mammy better than Jumem or Bepuana Joe, if you are now for a cow. I be Puana Julia Bobby do feel 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock and Sana, who baby ye a froy. A heaty, I am more, and that's one more by your account. I been calling for better. I tell Benny, you're letting me digesting no matter. It's Bible, so Papa Bia, or say she plans the day's work for her servants. And she said, if you know, say you do not have so much time, no problem. Get yourself somebody to help you. And you're bonnet. I ain't been Nipa Baby cannot say here. If you are working, and I say if you are married, then don't get anybody to help. No. No woman can do it like that. So we hear Juma Pana per se. If you want to keep a clean and neat home, now also a year with Juma kwa Nyamedia ma say yeah, we are see Juma na say Nyame Juma whatever Juma wo ye. What you mean ka say wo be say Juma no a onko na wo di wa ho odin e na wo di bibia na wo di ye say Juma no. No, you need to be doing something. You need to be doing something. And you want to mean ka say so then you need somebody to help you out. And you so nya house help maid be and I say maybe a servants be obebo anye say maid and servants and then no just okoteta na papem but to be obetuaneka somebody oh no so ejuma na oba be so get that person pay the person now I mean they be make say look for professional but obi a oye good onim ejuma na ni so ni obi a afa na wo ba be kire no obi a oye we oye sebi oni na ye ejuma na go ya betima pam no ape obi fufuro na ye ejuma so get somebody who can help you out no wa pensa ni pa no na watch the ejuma no de amano and as watch and say bia me person we see ni mama in a day enti ene wo be kwaba no na bibia ese oye bia na waye enti wo be ba no say bia no kra wo na aba be che na say wo ba be che woni ho no ma obetimi ase efe ma no e de ama wo na wo bo mo na nioma bi ese yi ofie ni aye da wo ho no no aye because in the in this day and age and as in our dispensation no it's not like the olden times na ye wo kron kitu amu a unhia car to go to the nearby place na no so ti sorry ya na uko until be call be ba no na say you are able to do everything by yourself. No, we here say you need somebody to help you because if you baby I be driving e kura akwa say okuta car say onni car baby I be fa car obe na tia ba sa na ba be dru baby out him. There's a whole lot of things. So you need somebody to help you out. And so we here will be with me abo. We keep you fear come we keep you dry come we wash you. Dia woni mu ye dia open. O ese no na ba chere nipa no so aba pe ye. Dia ma. Also she goes to inspect a field and buys it with her earnings and plants a vineyard there be America as a good wife, as a good woman. You don't wait to say you are waiting for your husband or your boyfriend to do other investments. No, it's not that. Why never? Who could have bet me at to, as I say? And the last time I make a what baby, beauty area, be ABC University or an almost started C project, be school be about school be also baby, and yet and pens and pencils and a year's annual manual and a number, a year stationery. And of course, when was a BAC school be as I seek it to evidence. What's back what just as you invest in it. Because you think ahead. Dachi a combat me about. Dachi I want you to bet me about. Now what do you know as a one? Now go anyway. But what decided over to us now I hear na dachi me. I want you to balance and I was me kwa you bedroom. Would you bear 40 years? Who compared you behind you? Would you and they crowd 35 years? The crowd compared you one way behind you. I just say you have some special skills be any other. It's Uber starting one cause you invest in something. Say you may be crying away from it and you can invest in another thing. And as simple, you can invest in yourself. With me at school. With me change maybe. Who on my minimum beer, no yet bank. And autonom one of the big fishing companies are one of them. Now she was working in a bank. But at some point, or realizes no, she would want to be an entrepreneur, and she stopped. And oh yeah, and why you because why a millionaire? Many seconds mean to make as a multi-billionaire and a billionaire. But I know he is getting. I didn't. She stopped working early and she decided to take the bull by the horn, do something for herself. So the baby in retirement and what's mean baby. If you could now wear Juma and shed that koi papa. If you know I've seen people who are thinking, your uncle for baby almost says, so you will be a Juma now in your sky and you're not correct. Oh, and you're not correct. And you're not correct. So why we adwuma? Listen, if you are able, I always say this, if you are able to work for somebody, why can't you work for yourself? Say if you unless say baby I want and share that baby I would me who your money but if you are able to do some things for yourself, your whole life's a year, rather dear knowledge, I would dear my weapon, your obu honma for 30 years or the ayejuma will be for 25 years or the ayejuma will be you know better calculate sika at the end of the year about 20, 25 years, 30 years and this can because say anomenum kitirisi. At the same time, so if you decide to work for yourself, amen. And go control scabibrio. The woman say, I am nipa bebre ye so beginning, you know. To Felices and Minquam start one here bend. And so bit me say, Biana who ye formal, who ye formal job, make a formal job, maybe he's being employed in an organization. Oh, Bano, you can also go the other way around. Bit me start something for yourself, maybe a service industry, no. Say, be a wee tea, whoopama dear, we be being idea. And I say, be a crowd, dear, wood trading, and I will turn dear be at who could be free home man that your baby count home. I be an isika club in your baby count home. Namu komani. Say so because so better na na ku wie juma and as we juma na afi mu nyina afi na you are found wanting afi na we person ko say the wo say papa pani na afi na ko start ejuma bi no yes sir e unnecessary stress ebeto so timi de be ameka say start work yes warrantem wontem da bi ko school ntem warrantem wontem ya juma ntem return ntem na wo ye wa wo de ntem. So you can also do your own thing. And also and also whoever you are with. There may be an better most all your body for most all your babu for because no question so what baby and no who's will be any abrin and near brin would do your baby at them near become no bano yet. That's what ba for or ba or yet dear for ba or year and who yet juma. Yet din say they could be pamono. And only the casa rough and nobody did not know. And I just said, if you know there's a particular problem, there's a special problem. But if not, bad, no. It's the person just say, invest in yourself, Sana Bible. So you can find a field for yourself and then buy it. You invest in it with the earnings now, the little you have. So you don't wait. When you be, maybe I only kunete, a damn mutimono, more rent. A will be the asset where as money a liability didn't ya. More at the end of the month, you are paying for the to the person. Nipano so you took cement more, ya 2 cement more, affect you know, what now for all of a sudden, nothing not affect you. Now who know why wild? Now for night said the maestro and what's a minute. So I want to know will be feared. Ukwatena obi fie pa na se fira so betete wa ube hu se de ete light bill water bill ni ade ba na se wunya ska de betua ube hu se de ete enti no se wo ubetimi eto de bia na be bi kro ho no mansabe onye na dwe so obesi dan e wo be bi ho onye na dwe so obesi dan be bi ho onye na dwe se obekọ nani onye na dwe so peso invest in something minim emema bi obeka che se me de me nya ma dwe se mesi dan e duru ba bi a mesi dan na se me nya ska me ko bi kro tu be dinati akokrum na do menyi na akokrum enti wo ba asa nyame aye wadom na so ye bibi kakra with the little earnings now one you can and there as I say half plot to cry ye ton ebi wo kra na nyame nyansem mu omo tonton as first pa na ye to asase a e ka say Jesus what says ka nyina wo sa odwe 3 nyina na ade akwakoto say it's not like that say asase an comfort on wo betimi de wo betimi akasa wo to half plot wo betimi so tia ni kakra they will still work for you. It's your dintina. Wankasa investing. Nasi kakwa wono. Kakra ebia. Now they are question. Ebia as time goes on crown. So who could decide say o moawa. Uko weni na aka chese be me na. Eh. Kwa me enta sasi. Asasi makoto. Ye ya je fi misem. Sika no so ye. Ani ade. Bema wo nyansa. And listen, I'm talking about bema wo nyansa. Bema wo nyansa. Who said you investors are ono kure be ne dedudu bem ma bi obega so nyina bem ma onimu nyansa ba bem ma no wo nyansa dia why not ne yire oba ayifa na akoto o se bia mekoto wa ha ne ha isa ayi yaji o sei e bi wa bobo no dia che o mfansie no oba bi ho no makoto o ye project no dia sie ni ku no dia sie fe o ma bem ma ni hu na da ne ntokwa na da ne awarija ye ni nyina ne se de o ye project on person iku ana se na yire beti no mani hu ka kire no emena sei ni me emo mi sika nso mesrew ye nyina yi be kutawi fakakra soso ni nyina fa koyi semunni any plans bia semu beja idea there's no point somebody semunni plans bia semu beja there's no point somebody se no one say jamo komunima kakra Bible say o si die unya oyire tie nyam pransam na meke Bible said die unya oyire he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. We have seen a lot of young men. We have seen a lot of young women. Nobody should call me at this stage. I know before back when I'm there. We have seen a lot of young men. We have seen a lot of young women. But after marriage, everybody should have one. It will be how be no beginning no how was struggle sa what ya kwatena na etu no se nyame ye na dom no nya wo ba de ye foka no wo ba nya sa foka no oba bo afo ka no within a space of 5 years pe no ma bra ba sesa enye se bi obesi dan kensen kora omo ntoto ye ne nioma omo be ye no be ko fi on eni o me nyina sesa enti enye nwanwa se obetimi aware obi no obi ni oni hwen so be ko wani no ye ba enti me ka we so de akere na so de atutiri mu se aware obetimi aware obi sika nche da ni enzo na me be hira enti enye bibia na bibia be pon konti aka se eje se menye sika da ma ansa na mako nyani pa nyina na enye sika bebre ansa na o ma ware enzo ni nyina se nyame be mu o hira ma koma etimi vision. You don't need to buy a big house or say, mommy, if you told him and he said he will buy a house, so if you tell him, let's say he's that capable to buy a house, a full house, but at the same time, and I'm doing saying why your mommy, so who invest in now, who was gonna submit me invest in Kakabwana. I don't see anything, and you are not doing it for him. You are doing it for your children as well. I thought there be any part doing to Mrs. I thought there be any part to me jao, more coquansona, baby to me jao, anywhere sit down, and no monote, where jao, or say a dan or willy amanema, but one where jao, where quite has all. So you will need to have a place for yourself. But Yensha said, if in the past you relied on him and you were waiting on him to buy you a house, and as a build a house before you also do something for yourself. Why I bet when you know where do you don't conquer? So opening the other way. Your uncle they thought their husbands were going to live for forever. Maybe you couldn't create a woman. No me. I bet when you need a man will wage on them. Maybe a time I couldn't catch you say, next 3 years, Metas I say. And what aunt on so. Yeah, boy. And see, they almost say you invest in some things. One casafa when me that's from the opposite way you do it for yourself. Name wow, it is for you. Say, baby, of course, boy be ofre busium. Who was Ghana broswa. Famu busium for Famu unianum mema, me papa, no moving cotton. So you don't say because your husband wants to do something, you don't also unless say Modiana it says he kind. And also any healthy. There were relationships be how I be woman to say there as almost yes kind. They are as a rivalry be or Bemano as a competition. Beman and Peso Bano Beconim or Ban and Peso Beman Beconim and I say way put it that be. If I know there is no a healthy relationship, but I'm talking about a healthy relationship. If it's a healthy relationship, the man doesn't need to pull you down. The woman doesn't need to pull you down. So me yiri kutabi now the Bayer projects and I say the action. Then you know the says you say here there. Why not? Semi kutabi. Next one also the Bayer be. Nasa the action you know can say here there. Why not? Semi sibia mami. Obe me bo okro wo ska broso. We sibia ma we sibi be o na motimu okro kasi. Wasan kura ko sibi wo krokitu amu dia kan ho. Fair enough. Nyame na aye wadom. Ebiem wo abusua. Enti eja also the kitwa no kra ye wetimi dia maami bi ana wanti bi wo se wa bi e bia wa ho ma akwakotere enti en sheda anya big deals what I say na me insure papa for me na dunti me be check enough na you drew him po or say she goes to me or say she's energetic, She's energetic and strong. A hard worker. Why you didn't know ya Juma? Why ya ya wo baby wonu be wonu da bia wa ye feeble bi asede jama onu ni ahoden wo kutukutu ase wo sorry ase wontimi nye bibia ne ade da bi. Every woman needs to be doing something. Sorry? Kenya bibia ena obabia oba pani do na de we o kan Exodus 1 e free 6 hono eba no o se na ohin bi sorry ya na Pharaoh fufuro eba after the Pharaoh na no ne Joseph no etnaye no. There was another Pharaoh who came after him who didn't know Joseph and his descendants and the things Joseph had done for the for Egypt as a country no. And also no Pharaoh no sorry say oh time many no yo ye na bi say obi kunkum omo be say om any ade. That's the Bible say make us me jo. Bible say ofre om Jew for na midwives no e share that bon pa say whenever the Jew for man na Israel for man na omo kwa akwa na omo kwaje omo wa omo say a mema they should kill them. A ma they should leave them. And do you know what happened? Omo ya anya yi na Jew for man ko ka kire ohene say ohene who say it was not the kind, it was not feasible. And na obusa Jew for man say ade na maye misa me ka kire mo say enkrofo omo dore dodo omo ho odin dodo eti so e ma ne wo mema yenku omo munku mema e ye ma de amunya omo na de na moja omo nyina e de ne Jew for the reply omo de ma wo hen say oh na na ha ho the truth is say ma no omo nye oh Miss Remo mama mfra me if you call me by this time why me me see before ba akopɛ eno na me de yade pacho why I say nyame adoma next week and week ya me birthday ti any week mo na me nim se ba o me se me maybe ba be che me phones ti any metena se age pa e ho no me metimi asalai wa ha but for now there please don't call me on this one why oh wan kura na so den sa no wan kura na so den sa no please don't call me why Miss Rao hi darling do you know what happened? Omo yes say or yes go omo nkono na a Jew for man they couldn't do it. It's your hini buso say why didn't you kill the hey ayi fo ni pa jo mo is it raining? It's raining. Me pa mo jo mo bi aframe myself whoever is calling me don't force me to block you pacho. Don't force me to block you. If you call somebody once, twice, 3 times, you should know, say, it means anybody in your way. Say, I'm sure the person is watching. And I wear some boo. Mama, papa, Miss Hell. Obiani, Jumo, dear mammy. A radin, you mean free radio, Smith TV, so much has a million for nothing. And you might be well, I did to decide this whole person frustrating me. I will frustrate your life. Na me nyana se me ko bo dia ba sem bia make bia be adwuma wo abrabo so please who decide this will be frustrating me I can equally frustrate you pa me dia me ko ye wachi me so metana ya na makanya me asema ma me be di wachi se me ye wie na sama ye obone dia asem ko no enya se me ene emi mum ne benya me se me nya obone dia benya na ye mpesa me ka enyina ne se wo mu decide say omo be hadri omo be kum kwala no and so Bible say the women were so smart to say they couldn't do it. A man they were so smart to say they couldn't do it. Didn't anytime bia ombe your madrin say omokwaje omawo ombedru ono na man no ma wodada. So just as the Bible said say you have to be strong and smart and na man na they were smart. It is obi kure pe wa ye obone a ipa no kura o menya because obeba no ma me na wote wo bompai obeba no na wankasa de na odwi se oba be boa wo no wenya kwanya wo obeba na wa ye wade obeba no odwi se oba be pra wo beku obeba na wankasa nyame aye wadom wo wie wade. There's nothing for him or her to do again. Enti mo say ade ko de ba nyina na aka ne tirim. If you said wo yo ba de yefo. Wo yo ba nyansafo. Wo yo ba wo sore se obaye wade. Wo yo ba wo ntwen mo bi nsi trododo ma wansa na wa sore. You don't want to do things by yourself and so help you God. Uradi munti ekoyi. Come. Was saying, and she does what? Was saying, she's strong and energetic, a hard worker, and was her lights, her lights burns late into the night. Her lights burns late into the night. Ne kanya enuma na jo edi entia wo ye vampire bofo. Ne kanya enuma na jo wo ye vampire bofo. Wo ye ba wo hwehwe awurade. Anajo ni kun ne mada no anajo na djuma wo ho no Bible say anajo da su awada no sa bre no tamfo ye obone Bible say atamfo no eje se wahwe wase ansa de wo pa nyina no say onya yanka maame ebu anka wahwe ase onya yanka maame ebu anka ni magu ase onya yanka maame ebu anka ni pa nyina ka se wo ye nipa bone enu su ti anajo da su mo awada no nipa bebre wo beda wo be sore na wo simisisi bi joku aso ho beto na aka obi hono aba obeda ye be so esi ni wo de efo woni pray ya ansa na wo wu a enka wo kaze ni wo afi muntum e bani paso anajo ahohomone e bani paso anajo obi pede ya bema etu awia eni to anajo e ahohomone teto e bra when losing god na out wo ni ato ne ye de abo obi tene de masam ne nan ai akuta aboduaba ebo wudi ebam sewo adeko na wo ka no emeye enti woto na baba abeyo de wo mu no se wurade won ma ni mamu da sewo wo obi a wo ye pa bofo enti wo be hihye na wurade bedwiri wo be hihye na wurade bedwiri wo be pese nyawo na so wurade ma ni nyawo hwe de mpesem cho se wurade ba won pe na sem kro ma ne onfa ne hye na tamfo nsa. That is the truth. Wurade ne ba won pe na sem wurade ne ba won fa ne nyehwe Ewurade ne ba wase wa ye na de na ye ne yantene mu onfa ne hye na tamfo. No. Now what kind of book of Judges Samson Bible say ye wo no ye manage na hye de e ka se mane nkofu ho ka se man ye fa yiwan enkaniti e ka se mane nko amame mane nware amame mufu any other things na so obuso ba. Now Samson was not an ordinary person. He was a judge. He was a prophet. Not a judge over Israel. Not saying a prophet. How would you not do? And so often here, the radical as man in yellow. What catch or baby mobile the year? And so what happened? You didn't go 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 seconds, you could be already a pound and on a pound. Ebemu enti ebra na tamfo pese nka wo no ase ya urade ono kura we ko ka kire urade se urade me nkumia ka urade ka wo nkune da na so ka se urade ma me ne matamfo nyina enwu eno so nti na wo mu hu se mitiri nwi kitu bi afefe no na ye o so ma wie no ante so onya bi mmieru so omusa no huri nyina na the whole place nyina mu ni nyina na o ma hia ho they just wanted to make fun of him. They died with him. The person me say the urade mpena some grown financial conference there be the won say urade say obi hu ye na hia and obi ade a what kind from Genesis to Revelations the won kase ya na say urade ni pa nante the urade ni pa nante mu enyina no de won kase ya na say na urade do nipa and only the urade first urade do nipa first na so nipa fomo a na urade buafu dodo na wa punish wo na so punish wo wi a na wo musakra na wasare ya cho nipa esakra na dwen na urade kro na waka so be ko mu nipa cho nipa wo frɛ me no misra wonyai nipa wo frɛ me no misra wonyai because kasa no meka I am not going to leave anything out. And this, if you want to frustrate me, I can frustrate you easily. It's Mr. Stop it. And nipa na won nyina kora omo ana nyame hye da kan iso ewurade ka se otan no na iso na bone be na no ai no ne nua Jacob no mo nyina hye yefun ba gum and God said he hated him and so Bible say ni papa kora esa be chira no edane no me ni papa the father cursed him instead of blessing him and so Bible say wo kenten ne ho kakra bi no konua na da ne so ebreki he was set free or no sanso enna na ohin Hezekiah nyame sheda soma eza so koka kire ne se won hye ne nsamanse na nyi obi agege na ewurade ne soma se koka kire se on hye ne nsamanse na ono ewurade obeku no yare ne wa yare ne ho nto na Bible se pompo abobọ no asi emu wa yare ada hono na so ono kura ka se won pene wotena se nipa was able to negotiate with God and God agreed to spare the life of man. Angels bow before him, heaven and earth adore him. What a mighty God we serve. All this shall pass. These two shall pass. Na de entwem no ewrade so osoro ne asase kura betwam de entwem pe ewrade asa etitie nyame asam watimi ama wagina brane efise de ewom no se wo de wo hu to ewrade so a ewrade wo hwe wo o mi hu ombia wo so de no wa to ewrade so wagina na time for that day because we never do simple why your money was say and if you confess your sins I was saying I'm faithful and just to forgive you of all your sins and cleanse you from all iniquities. 1 John 1:9 ewrade was say simple why your money was say mumbra na yanwimom na say mo bone te say damna mampo a me mehuru mana yesu kirema so God knows you so much so say simple say why your money ewrade fa won say watamfo sa eti Mrs. Day mensuro me bra mensuro di ewrade achi na ewrade na wonenam ewrade be so me pa mo cho mamon frem me wo me Facebook live and Instagram live and me phones me na me kuta no na me use please don't call me I beg of you why Mr. Yes, I so unfair to the people on platform na breaky why pa mo cho mo bi am frem enti ewrade onya wo ma watamfo God will never leave you for the enemy to have hold. No. Everybody wants us out. Papa, when yes, sir. Yenko. Or saying, she extends a helping hand to the poor and opens her arms to the needy. Oh, that is the point I'm needing who can say. Was say, will be in some. And the man won't be for. Now, what won't I want to won? Will be in some. Emma won't be for. Now, what won't I want to won?